Yeah, so good evening, everyone. And I joined this Ashtang Chikitsa introduced by my elder brother because I used to have lot of hyperacidity, and because of that there were days when I was not able to eat normal food. So my brother told me it will really help you mentally as well as physically and emotionally. So I joined just because he said, and then I started doing it. The best part what I liked was, when the mentor used to say, please have a smile on your face, so that when you start your day with a smile, naturally the whole day will go smilingly. I really liked that idea. And then slowly, gradually, when Sony ma'am said that you must consume cow ghee every day, that didn't struck me because I was one person who never had butter. What to talk about ghee? I just used cannot take ghee. But then, because then I asked my elder brother also ki bhai, what is this? So he said, give whatever the mentor says, just do it, don't have any kind of doubts. And I also said to myself, okay, let me try. Then first day I had to close my nostrils, close my eyes, and just have a spoon of ghee in my throat. Then the second day was a struggle. So, like this, 5, 6 days went. Then suddenly I realized that I felt so good and so light within myself that I really wanted to fly. That kind of a feeling I got by taking ghee. And because we had to wait for half an hour after taking ghee, so I said might as well use this time for my kumbhak. So that is how I got into the practice of doing regularly. And I used to tell myself, that I must do with a smile because that is what Sony ma'am has said it. So that is how I started doing it. And believe me, when the course ended, my acidity had gone and my back pain has gone, especially after doing that Vyan Kriya. I used to have terrible backache. So then, when I spoke to Sony ma'am, she said, just give yourself some time and do it, not putting so much of a pressure. And then, when I started doing it, I really started enjoying that Kriya also. So ultimately, what I feel that this therapy has given me lot of emotional happiness, physical, yes, and spiritual, yes. I really want to aspire for. And I really want to thank everyone, the entire team, for making me more positive while doing this kumbhak. Because to have a smile is to have everything. That means your entire life will be full of happiness. That is what I learned from Sony ma'am. And that is what I wanted to share. This was my journey. And I live in Delhi, which is very, very, very cold these days. Everybody must be knowing it. So I do it alternate days, but I make sure that at least I do the kumbhak part, the first part. Then I do some little stretching exercise of the kumbhak. So this is what I wanted to share. So thank you so very much for making me a part of your this beautiful therapy. Thank you so much.